Yeah. Hi, students. I am Dr. Badrinath. In this video, we'll see the concept of malaria. Malaria. Man, mosquito, malaria. Three M are there. M, M, M. That's why there was a strong relationship between the man, mosquito, and malaria. Okay. The man is hitting the mosquito. See, you kill the mosquito, you be safe from the malaria. Nobel Prize is guarantee if you do a research in the malaria. Guarantee confirmation. Confirmation. If they are not giving, I will give you. No problem. You take and enjoy the Nobel Prize. Here I kept Nobel Prize for you. Two Nobel Prizes because two Nobel Prizes are there here in the malaria research only. See what is important. That much of importance is there in malaria, and it is very important for all competitive examinations also. That point you have to keep it in your mind. First one is the Charles Louis Alphonse Laverne. Okay, he's in 1880 a French army doctor. He's a French army doctor. His name is Charles Louis. He's the first observed the parasite in the patient RBC. Keep in your mind. What he discovered is different. What Sir Ronald Ross discovered is different. How it is a different, that we will see. French army doctor, what he observed is under the microscope. That picture also I will show you how the RBC will be there in the malaria condition. Real picture I will show you. He's a French fries. You know French fries, French chemistry. He's a French chemistry army doctor. Observed the parasite, malarial parasite in the patient RBC, red blood cells. He observed. That's why it is very dangerous. Malaria RBC count is very dangerous. Okay, that's why they avoided. They told come and take. It is there for you only. We reserved the Nobel Prize for you. Just take it. They will post also. Even though he is not taking, they will post. That much of powerful is their Nobel Prize. And number two is a Sir Ronald Ross. He's a very great chemist. Both are very great, excellent thing. He is a Briton. He is a French. He is a Briton. Britannia biscuits. He is a French fries. French fries came from French. Britannia biscuit is come from Britain only. In the kings, that is in the old name. That is older name. British ruling was there, no? That time onward, Britannia biscuit. Okay, like that same name, Britannia, Britain. Sir Ronald Ross finally proved that malaria is transmitted by the mosquito. So he discovered that malaria transmitted by the mosquito. So man, mosquito, he find the man. Okay, malaria is transmitted by the mosquito like that. That's why that is also he find, even though he is in the Britain, he discovered that concept in the Sikindrabad. That is in the Telangana, in the Telugu state only. In the Telangana region, in the Sikindrabad, he won a Nobel Prize. In that time, it was Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it was Andhra Pradesh. That is also Nobel Prize. See, two Nobel Prizes are guaranteed. These scientists' names are very, very important. Even those who are preparing for the groups also, what he discovered, the point is different. What he discovered the mosquito. He discovered the RBC parasite in the RBC. For that Nobel Prizes. See, that's why I told Nobel Prize is guarantee in the malaria research. Sir Ronald Ross, we have to respect him a lot. In the Sikindrabad, this is the place. Sikindrabad, where he placed. See, this building, August 1819, the late Sir Ronald Ross is a beneficiary of mankind. It was a great discovery of the parasite of malaria. This plate you can be find in the Sikindrabad. Okay, entire this building name itself. They here also you can see Usmania University, Sir Ronald Ross Institute of Parasitology. See how much great department. Because he discovered the parasite that is carrier is a mosquito. He only discovered. Sir, parasitology is a statue. This is a statue of that. That's why the great scientists are there. We are studying the subject of social and preventive pharmacy. Very important for all nursing, B pharmacy, okay, and the lab technicians, BLT and MLT, all lab technician. And this is the syllabus of second unit. In that, what I highlighted the point, malaria is our concept. These are the malaria facts. Malaria is a serious disease only, but however, it is a preventable and a treatable. These are some of the malaria stats or malaria facts. Need not to be right in the examination. This is for your awareness only. Preventable and treatable. See here, this cross zone. If you draw a line, diagonal line, this side almost or horizontal line, whatever it may be, this entire region only, because sun is there here. That is hot places, you can say. These are the cold places. In the cold places, malaria is not survived. In the only the hot places, malaria is survived. 97 countries and territories are malaria under malaria transmission. This is according to 2014. Okay, but however, see, no single malaria case was identified in the cold places. And mosquito bites. Sir Ronald Ross discovered that mosquito is a carrier, so malaria comes through the mosquito. Pregnant women, some relationship is there. For pregnant women, high risk, always high risk for the malaria. Pregnant women having a high risk of dying. See here, high risk of dying from the complications of malaria. In pregnancy, malaria comes, it is very difficult to survive. Okay, like that. That's why they have to take a very great care. That point keep in your mind, right? Every 60 seconds, a child dies from the malaria in Africa. Dies every 60 seconds. That is every 1 minute. That much of severity was there. Okay, like that you can see the number of things are there. All are not required. And it is the ancient disease, not a new. It is a very old. It is originated from the Italian word malaria. Mala means bad and area means air. So bad air. It obtains from the bad air, like that. Latin word is marshy. It is transmitted by the female only, not male. Female, because the ovaries will be developed in the female only. Female Anopheles mosquito. It is transmitted. If not treating properly, it turns into the fatal. It is very dangerous in case of, especially in the pregnancy, very complication is there. And here you can see the total taxonomy. Kingdom is animal area because it comes from the animal only. Phylum, Epicomplexia, class, Coccidia, order, genus, Plasmodium. This is important. Genus, Plasmodium. Species are 5 types. Plasmodium, that 5 species I will show you. These are the 5 species. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plasmodium. P stands for Plasmodium species. Falciparum, false. You can remember like that. False. You know, true, false. Plasmodium falciparum. P. malaria. Direct name is there here. Malaria name. Plasmodium malariae. Plasmodium ovala. Oval shape. You can remember. Oval shape. Oval. Here viva. Viva voice is there, no? Viva. In the examination. So Plasmodium ovale. Plasmodium vivax. And no lazy. No laziness. No. KNOW. No. Laziness. Like that, you can practice the names. Otherwise, all these confusion in the examination, competitive examination. Plasmodium falciparum is the commonest form. This is the most common and most dangerous, whereas the remaining are not much frequent. This is only the high frequency, high days. Here I have wrote the incubation period also, 9 to 4 days, 9 to 14 days, 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, this is about the weeks. And remaining are 12 to 18 days, 12 to 18 days only, average, on and average 12 days, like that you can keep in your mind. 12, 12, 12. Okay, this is a 2 weeks, 12, like that you can remember 12 days. Malaria. This is the incubation period. These are the totally 5 species are there. In some textbook they have given 4 only, but 5 is the correct as per the 2021. Malaria, this is malaria cycle, very important. Half of the cycle, see here, this is a human skin. When the mosquito bites, what happens? See here, when the mosquito bites, sporozoites are the released. All these names are very important. Where is the merozoites, sporozoites, erythrocytes, infected RBC? All these we have to read it systematically in the examination. So they will ask you. Okay, human skin, when it bites, sporozoites are released. Suction, like that you can remember. Sporozoite, immediately when it sucks the blood, sporozoites of the mosquitoes are released. Sporozoites. So when the sporozoites are released, these sporozoites will carry to the hepatocytes. That is a liver. Hepatocytes cell. This is a liver. Okay. So when it enter here, hepatocytes, keep in your mind name where the malarial sporozoites grow means in the hepatocytes, it convert into merozoites. Sporozoites converted into merozoites in the hepatocytes. These merozoites then enter into erythrocytes. So which form of the parasite that is will enter into the blood means merozoites will enter into the RBC. See, these are the infected RBC. So it enters and it rotates in the RBC. So reputed erythrocytes. So it is, and here infected RBC, ring stage immature tropozoites. Here new name came again, mature tropozoite. These tropozoites are matured. Okay, again it comes to schizont. Schizont. All these you have to practice. Schizonts. All these three stages only it takes place in the blood cells. In the liver, sporozoites will be enter into the liver. Merozoites will be out product of the liver. All these malarial life cycles are very important. You have to write in the running matter in the examination. First, you have to write in the diagram. Very, very important. So then it is converted reputed erythrocyte. It will be boosted. So what happened? Gametocytes. This is a final product in the human. Sporozoites finally converted into gametocytes. Okay. These gametocytes, so that is in the male and female, that is whatever it may be, not much. It will be again sucked by the mosquito. So half of cycle will be in the man and half cycle with the mosquito. These gametes, gametocytes, here you can find the gametes. These gametes converted into zygote. Zygote mean converted into ookinete. Ookinetes, oocytes, sporozoites in the midgut. That is the gut of the mosquito, not the human. Gut of the mosquito. Sporozoites, again it enters into the salivary glands. That is a thing. So that salivary gland will be again secreted into the this one. So malaria, keep in your mind. This is a life cycle. Half in the man only it is a more, whereas here it is somewhat less. Zygote, ookinete, oocyte, oocyte. All these names are very important in the examination point of view. This is a malaria transmission cycle from person to person. First, we have to start with the mosquito. So, first infected mosquito, it bites the first infected person. It bites. So, he will become infected. It enters into the liver, sporozoites. Again, it enters into the merozoites. So, these merozoites again enter into the second mosquito. This is uninfected. Now, it become infected because it sucks the blood. So, again, this go and bites the another person, second infected person. So again he will become a patient. So like this, malaria is a transmission cycle. This is a life cycle. This is a transmission cycle. This is a normal RBC, we know very well. And here you can see this is a adhesive knob. Sporozoites converted into merozoites. That merozoites will adhesive like this. See here, adhesive. And this is not only adhesive, it enter into the parasite, multiply in the red blood cells are nothing but house numbers. Your house number is 1-3-5-X, the same passion. This is a house number for all these malarial parasite multiplied in the RBC cells only here. Okay, it is adda, it is just like a den for them. Okay, so this is a real picture. Here you can see the only graphical picture, malarial parasite, how it is multiplied in the RBC. Here you can see different types of Plasmodium malaria, falciparum, ovale, vivax. Okay, see here how it enter. Here you will get irregular surface. All are irregular, rough surface is there. Here you can find smooth surface. Here also smooth surface. Here see, and also here you can find the parasites. Here see how it is entered here, like that. It may be a malaria. This is the most common thing. By seeing the RBC, they can be in the malaria testing. They will take the blood from the tips. That's why it is called peripheral blood. They will take from the tips. Single drop, they will take it and they will test it. Here also they will take. That is another part. Peripheral blood means here they will take. So you have to put a 1 drop under that RBC. They will check and they will write either malaria is positive or malaria is negative by checking the blood cells, RBC only. Okay, this is not much important, but for your idea only. This is a malaria complications. What happened? Infected RBC. See, this is the infected RBC. This is uninfected RBC. Infected RBC, it leads to phagocytosis, hemolysis. It leads to anemia. Okay, hemolysis, it leads to renal failure, black of the water fever. Okay, like that. All these are the see here: cerebral malaria, pulmonary edema, DIC, tissue hypoxia. Because oxygen, once the oxygen levels are less here, it leads to adhere to the blood vessels. See here, infected RBC. Infected RBC leads to phagocytosis, and it leads to adhere to the blood vessels. Blood vessels, not the blood RBC. RBC is already there. Okay, obstruct the blood flow because of blood vessels. So tissue hypoxia, less supply to the blood. That's why it is called a hypoxia, hypo oxygen. Okay, impaired microcirculation, so it leads to cerebral malaria, pulmonary edema. So how the cerebral malaria is due to the hypoxia. Like that, here phagocytosis we know very well, it leads to hemolysis. Hemolysis means breakdown of RBC, it leads to the anemia, and this also like that you can practice this toxic mediator, inflammatory, chilled fever, inflammatory response, like that. Okay, complications of the malaria, these are the tests. Blood sample from the suspect, prepare from the, this is microscopic analysis RBC, that what I have shown in the picture. Blood cells they are taking from the peripheral only for microscopic examination, and this is a sequence. Dry the blood film, fix the blood film with the methanol, staining with the GIMSA stain, rapid, this is also important, GIMSA stain, name you have to keep in your mind, rapid or slow. Clean the slide with water and dry, microscopic observation, oil immersion objective, you can be observe that parasite was there inside the RBC, that you have to confirm. Antibody based, here antibody we are going to be fine. Antibody means our body is already developed some biochemicals against the antigen. Blood sample from the suspect, they will find here, they will find the antigen, antibody. Okay, so blood sample here, this is a nucleic acid amplification. Nucleic acid which is present in the parasite, that is DNA, RNA from the sample, they will amplify, they will magnify, and they will do it. Okay, this is only main thing. This you have, you can be write it roughly. These are the symptoms of malaria. This is a systemic high fever. That is the main thing. Malaria means fever, fever means malaria, like that. Back pain will be there. Profuse sweating will be there. Sweating, that is also very important. Sweating. So these three are the very, very important. And lungs dry cough, muscular weakness will be there. Fatigue will be there. At joints, fatigue, aches will be there. Skin chills, shivering will be there. Okay, sweating will be there. Sweating here already mentioned, profuse. Okay, central headaches will come. That is also main characteristic of the malaria, is the pain. And spleen enlargement, this we cannot see directly. And stomach nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and bloody stools. Stools will be, okay. And in the symptoms in the malaria, I told no, it is some relation with the malaria. These are the muscular fatigue, pain, almost all are same. Chills, sweating, spleen enlargement, back pain, liver, and central headache, systemic fever, dry cough, nausea, vomiting. This is extra covered. Okay, stillbirth, premature birth, spontaneous abortion, a low gestation, body weight. These are the special thing what you have to cover in the extra in the pregnancy. Prevention and control malaria, anti-mosquito. You have to kill the mosquito. That is the main thing. So first one is sleep under the bed nets. First primary, all are very simple only. Very simple. You have this, since this is a preventive medicine we are studying, all these are you have to highlight in the examination. Under bed nets, use the herbal insects. Don't use chemical. Chemical also can be used, but herbal insect repellents, mosquito repellents we are using, no, bed light, that. And wearing the long sleeves so that you can avoid the mosquito bites. Fit your home with wire and mesh, like windows and all, etc. Avoid mosquito bites, especially during the night time. That is very dangerous. Malaria comes night. Chikungunya mosquito daytime. Take anti-malarial drugs to kill the patient. I will show you what are the anti-malarial drugs in the next slide. Malarial drugs they have to take. Clean the places around your home where mosquitoes may breed. So like this drainage near to your home, put the kerosene. If you put the kerosene, all these will be died. Okay, otherwise it starts growing up. Spray herbal fogging. Fogging means smoke. Herbal fogging in your premises. These are the things. Mosquito nets. These are the. This is see under the water how these eggs are developing into mosquito. These are the mosquitoes. Okay, this is a surface, upper surface. So it hangs reverse. Okay, like a bats. This is a herbal tulasi. Okay, this is a fogging. See how it is entering into this mark, so that it will be died. If is there anything, it will be died. These are the mosquito nets. Very, very important. Malaria. These are the anti-malarial drugs. We know very well: chloroquine, amidoacquine, quinaquine, quinidine, mefloquine, Primaquine class is also important. This is 4-aminoquinoline. 4-aminoquinoline treatment and chemoprophylaxis of the infection with the sensitive. Chloroquine is a main drug. Queen, you can remember in your mind as a queen. Malaria is a queen. Chloroquine. The queen is a quinidine, quinine. This class is also very important. Okay, this is not much. If you want to read it in the depth for competitive exams, you can be prepared. Falciparum. Okay. In pregnancy, malaria treatment in pregnancy, Plasmodium vivax or Plasmodium falciparum mixed infections, mix of the species, 5 species. First trimester, second trimester, third trimester, what they have to give here. Quinine, quinidine, chloroquine. Okay. Yeah, we will end here. You kill the mosquito and be safe from the malaria, right? So in my playlist, you can be find all the